abusuafo bi mo bi bia kwaba eba GNC page so midi e de adwoa search na prophet Kumcha e na okase sofo Kumcha e ye sofo wo Ghana ha no ma che so bia ni mi no na ope sofo a ne ho so ye sere pa de ai na ye Kumcha na o de ensem ya tudwa na ensem a okay na ne se e ye papa Shee na obo e ye secular music and wa ba be yo sofo ena mama Cecilia Marfo ono so no ye gospel musician as see wa be ye prophetess sem profu miami Kumcha ye che se ye fo mo ko hospital ne ko hwe mo adwin se bibia ye okay bibia ye normal because omo behavior ye ntiase nyema bi omo ye na nse kitinkiti ye ntiase Kumcha ye che se ne odi kan ye papa Shee na no in the internet ne so na ko hu se papa Shee se wa wanya ko a waje so hello biano obekọ hell and na che say the whole world obi abekọ hell because me ya call me ntumi nka ana bibi the mekan say hello and is a maka hello na mekọ hell dia and na ya me babra nkwa na me use phone e wi aso bia use phone ntuna che say hell na che say na ya kwa ni papa Shee e na woka na me nim say hello no eye HUT na wo ni ti na say hell da and I said then they intimi entry nti papa Shee entry say wa wanya call wo wiase a waka say hello bia obekwa abun semde ya fa papa Shee ne de enton che ye mbra auntie Cecilia no so mama sisi ensem bi e trend e wo Ghana ha no papa ye na say no bia e kebi ene sen ena no program Cecilia yo omo ye okumase ene gospel musicians no bia e ba omo betoto no na ade na Joyce Blessing unbreakable edu no so otonjo gina ho etonjo amafo ani age amafo awura spirit me anya sempeto akra anti sisi fihi obehwi me mic efi Joyce Blessing ni say hey mami ti asem ebe ya wo de enkomhye no nyame se ofro oba adwuma mu so ogu wani mase wa na we jai no go back to your husband anyesa de beto no mpe and the video about it and your Marfo and it's a Marfo the month of no channel but more than the papa na mus na Holy Spirit baby na spirit means ya ba any so be jina dom e be gure ba se cry na say bibia sa and Marfo be na kan ye ni say Holy Spirit and na so na ni dio o keke bia e bia na wo ni say nyame ho nkoko ampa na wa papa ye bonne na Marfo aka ho asema ka na prophet Kumcha about on so be chena do no che say ade a anti sisi waye e na papa Shee nsem omo aken e che se omo adwen no nhyɛ dan nko ye sika be ye fam nko ye fa omo enko hospital na ye hwehwɛ omo adwen na ye hwɛ se bibia ekoye ya na ye ntie nsem a prophet Kumcha e de etudwa
papa Shee ye nko hwehwɛ omo adwen sabe oh miss of Kumcha me say Cecilia Marfo on say what the papa Shee yan kwhwehwe we no enye bone say ye kwhwehwe obi adwen mu yan kwhwehwe on adwen mu because the way ade ti am de papa Shee abewura mu ne say enane ansakora wo ye bibi say obi bia obi be foro phone so abaye hello obekobro nsam gem wo say thank you etino yan kwhwehwe o mienu on adwen media so be some of Kumcha ye Cecilia Marfo ye wo kromu ano enhye de nkoye me mabo bi deliverance o ma solida me boni deliverance hey maba na mo so furi na bai maba no abo break it say articulator wo hwe me som wo aso dem wa me so man fa na ho anche no me hwi ni bi outside Proverbs 26 men na want to me kon Proverbs 26 5 from so say bua okwasea eni na gimi sem no so anye nani so enyansafo o hwe me so me sotro ne ko me ho ana me so me boni bi kama because that be what you physical demo esa me plan physical on kurukuru bi en won mo bobo sotro esono articulator engine and esono over engine ebi a wono ni engine no e different from me de etimi de wo hwe me som no me yapa ekọ me kama so why not doing so obeboro me ekọ masa mani su twa me na me so me bom e wo members ni me hwe mo mane papa e wa so dem wo ade
you will see a failed woman, a non-entity. No, see radio be so. No friend, huh? And I be a feminist. And feminist for no munti kroma Joyce blessing. Tunuma. Cecilia Marfo could shoot microphone just to embarrass the girl. Omuni kroma. Feminist for no muni kroma. Women feminist muni kroma. When the catch was a holy I worry the coin. I worry ye the coin. I worry which part of the Bible? And I say a real ye be poor 10 said you were 1 year see coy. Nana made some catch them some worry didn't be common some gem. But a lot of people will not make it to heaven because of marriage. A lot of people will not see heaven because of marriage. I hear the coin. But suddenly, women empowerment organizations, no, those women empowerment now, Miss Bell trap bone to Tracy Catcher and send a trap bone. Mokotina radio, Sina Tracy watching Monty Croma and Miss Bell radio, so or do bar aqua so. What the fuck is this women empowerment? A Croma, choose and pick. Entina, my said your motiano. Entina, you be here calling him. Now, most so-called feminists, no more test sign because of your choose and pick activism. Me sa bosu be me say Christian Council, dear na maba out ababeka. Because yes, is a Marfo ye no enye Holy Ghost. Sabi yanu bi ye nyame montete na se de mi kosua Bible school no ene nyame won konkuru amene nam na sa na menim na. Holy Ghost or a discipline kuni penny mase. Bible class of fighting. One fire so be good and you must say. Aye, sign a Bible kind. One fire and so be good and you must say. And today na Christian Council on my car found. You be in the and come out letter. Nya hypocrites. This country is so hypocritical. What do you call one tiasie? And you be man come out man. Dear Cecilia Marfo here no and your opinion when you no times 7. Dear Cecilia Marfo here no and you the opinion here no times 7. Matsna sia di manimuta dan ya twa to nebning. Makama no to Christian Council wa. Obia ye din na Cecilia Marfo ache Joyce blessing and we good anima say and was supano because Joyce is still only Dave Joy Kotibiem. Indeed, spiritual by force. Go to your S. Go to your S. Sadly, we don't have feminists talking about these things. Sadly. Mr. Tracy Catcher, Miss Bell, trainer Trestle of food general, send a Trestle of food general. We had people sitting on radio calling that small girl out. We had grown-ups fighting her. Some man who were hanging, and as I Miss Bell now got now TV so the uncle back so where are those bitches that call themselves feminists? Where are those bitches? More hanging. Mona namu Tracy watching mo super colana namu yabrano. Where the fuck are your bitch ass selves now? And I suddenly say monya feminist because when they are more they are more a pick and choose activism. Now pick and choose. It's a pick and choose activism. Yet to chrome her, and I broke her bema in the jawa here. Every rami fee. Every video me naked, everybody was quiet. Because so-called women rights activists, human rights activists, fuck. All of you, you have people that your organization or your mental health, everything you hear, and I'm one crowd so feel say they are not part of the people. Ghana, if you live your genuity, if you live your life, you are not part of it. Why na aka dia Cecilia Marfo Christian Council dia na maka asofu nya atwomfo dia na maka ache Cecilia Marfo so wamra out e make am fetch Joyce blessing dia na maka. You don't like me and I don't even want you to like me because guess what? Me pese me nya atwomsem me pese me come and say go me boa me ni bi nyankopon ntem etene na me ni pantam nyina ya basa because we ye nya atwom. Hypocrites mo asofo amugwo bebre ni wo mo ire no magyan bebre na fie. Do you talk about it? Is marriage the ticket to heaven now? But pastors have kept quiet. Obia kananwatu. Just a few Christians give to your say. I think I've some of the gospel artists would tell you Omokana, would say they need the Bible school. They are vague. Some of the gospel artists would tell Omokwa submission concerning abeyism. As Cecilia Marfo koye abeyism. And as a nation, this is what you people want. Fake and hypocrites. And this is what you see. Me gana po me say, me try me team, me ready for work. Esusuma dwene. Say, so-called human rights activists, what the fuck are they? Because what Cecilia Marfo did was not biblical. Yanu bi akwa Bible school ti ebeti ni ache ya dwene. Ni akọ ti nyame asem a. The Holy Spirit does not embarrass people. The Holy Spirit is disciplined. Now, who Cecilia Marfo na? Who si nyame wonkonkono atake over you, Cecilia Marfo no? And Joyce blessing the year worship. And I will fruit and one any. How did the Holy Spirit took over you? Say nyame wonkonkono na efa Cecilia Marfo the year duma. But they were soft, they will keep quiet. They will all keep quiet because Joyce blessing on tese asemesi. Omoduku on dresses a fumni onye Christo ni krasini and you know any children say I'm just telling you. See I'm passing about na me human right me